Good morning, students. Now we know the introduction, what do you mean by a sequence and what is the generating function. This one is very important. You have to remember this power series, formal power series, that is Ax is equal to summation r running from 0 to infinity ar x to the power of r. Right, where ar is the rth term, right? R x to the power of rth coefficient. Ar you can denote it by ai x to the power of I. Ai is the coefficient of x to the power of I, or ar is the rth term or rth coefficient of x power r, right? Now this is coefficient of x power r. Now this is called the formal power series is called the generating function, which generates the terms of a sequence. Now see the problems are, first one, if there is an unlimited number or at least 24 of each color of red, green, white, black jelly beans, in how many ways can Douglas select 24 of these candies 24 of these candies so that he has an even number of white beans and at least 6 black ones, right? Once again, please go through the problem. Now if there is an unlimited number of or at least 24 of each color of red, green, white and black jelly beans, in how many ways can Douglas select 24 of these candies so that he has an even number of white beans and at least 6 black ones? Now, how many colors are given? Red, green, white, black. That means 4 possibilities, no? Red, 4 combinations, no? Right. Now, see, red and green. Red and green means here we are taking the general polynomial 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on plus x to the power of 24, or at least 24 is given, no? Now, here 1 is equal to 1 into x power 0, because the possibility for red and green jelly beans is that none of the color is selected. Okay, మనకి ఏంటి, what is the possibility? At least అన్నాడు కదా, at least here see, red, green, white, black jelly beans, in how many ways Douglas can select 24 of these candies so that he has an even number of beans and white beans and at least 6 black ones అన్నాడు. What about red and green? అంటే 0 కూడా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు పాసిబిలిటీ, రైట్? సో now next white అనగా ఏమొస్తుంది? సి వైట్ అంటే 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ పవర్ 4 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ పవర్ 6 సో ఆన్ ఎక్స్ పవర్ 24, అంటే ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పవర్స్ ఉండాలి. అంతేమన్నాడు? ఈవెన్ ఇక్కడ వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్? డగ్లస్ కెన్ సెలెక్ట్ 24 ఆఫ్ దీస్ క్యాండిస్లో సో దట్ అన్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ వైట్ బీన్స్. even number of white beans means powers must be even, right? Next one, black at least at least 6 black ones, right? 6 అంటే మినిమం 6 ఉండాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మినిమం 6 అంటే ఈ పాలినామియల్ ఎక్కడ జనరేట్ అవుతుంది? x పవర్ 6 ప్లస్ x పవర్ 7 ప్లస్ x పవర్ 8 అప్ టు x పవర్ 24. okay, now for red this combination one factor, green also same thing, and white is this one and black is this one. now the coefficient of 24 in the generating function, చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? for red this component and for white this one and for white this one, black this one. next here power 2, this is x power 2 whole power 2 is there. that means for red one expression, for green another expression. this is the generating function for the given possibility. here this power is 2, remember this is one expression for red and one expression for green. this is for white expression, this is for black one. okay, just a basic problem, that one. Next one, how many integer solutions are there for the equation c1 plus c2 plus c3 plus c4 is equal to 25 if c0 less than or equal to ci, for all 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to 4. here once again, how many integer solutions are there for the equation C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus C4 is equal to 25. Here this one first component, second component, third component and fourth component, right? From those components, if you multiply those four components, the power must be equal to 25. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమిచ్చాడు, ద పాసిబిలిటీ డిస్క్రైబ్డ్ ఇన్ ద పాలినామియల్. ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఏమవుతుంది, జనరల్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ అండ్ సో ఆన్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 25. హియర్ 25 ఈజ్ గివెన్ టు యూ, దట్స్ వై maximum power is equal to 25. Highest power of the variable x is equal to 25, right? Now here how many components are there here? 1 2 3 4 components. That means 4 expressions we have to take like this. Now first expression is 1 plus x square plus x cube plus so on plus x to the power of 25. Second one also same, third one also same, fourth one also same. Therefore the function f of x is equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus so on plus x to the power of 25 into same expression 4 times. That means you will get 1 plus x square plus x cube plus so on x to the power of 25 whole to the power of 4, right? Here 4 components means power 4 you will get. Here if the components are 6, then here power 6 you will get. Next one, find the coefficient of x power 9 in 1 plus x cube plus x to the power of 8 whole to the power of 10. Find the coefficient of x power 9 in the expression 1 plus x cube plus x power 8 whole to the power of 10. Here we are denoting the given expression by f of x. Let f of x is equal to 1 plus x cube plus x to the power of 8 whole to the power of 10. Now we have to find the coefficient of x power 9, right? X power 9 is equal to, simply this is the hint. Okay, now let x cube plus x power 8 is equal to y, say, then it becomes, if this is y, then it is in the form of 1 plus y whole to the power of 10, no? Yes, 1 plus y whole to the power of 10. This is a binomial expansion. If you expand this one, 10c0, 1 to the power of 10, y to the power of 0, 10c1, 1 to the power of 9, y to the power of 1, 10c2, 1 to the power of 8, y square. Next 10c3, 1 to the power of 7 y cube plus so on. Now 10c3, if you want to find y cube, that means 10c3 y cube, its coefficient is equal to what? 10c3 y cube is equal to 10c3 x cube plus x to the power of 8. If you expand this one, what you will get? 10c3 into a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, no? Right. Now the possibility here only the first term only will get x cube whole cube is equal to x to the power of 9. In the second term 3a square b means x to the power of 6 into x to the power of 8. The power is not equal to 9. In the next term 3ab square, it's the power of x is greater than 9. And the last term is x to the power of 8 whole cube. That if you simplify that one, again its power is greater than 9 only. Here we only the first place, here only we are getting x power 9 whose coefficient is 10c3, right? If you expand this one, 10c3 x to the power of 9, therefore coefficient of x power 9 is equal to 10c3. Another notation is like this, right? Now another method to find the coefficient of x power 9 is by using components. See what is the power here? 10, right? This expression to the power of 10 means you have to consider 10 components. The first c1 plus c2 plus c3 plus so on cn, right? The first component is nothing but 1 plus x cube plus x power 8. Second component is also 1 plus x cube plus x power 8 only, right? And so on. Now here what are the possible powers of first component? Here 0, x power 0, x power 3, x power 8, right? That means the possible powers of x in the first component is 0, 3, 8. Similarly in the second component also 0, 3, 8. In the third component also 0, 3, 8, right? In the 10th component also C10 is equal to 0, 3, 8. Okay, now if you multiply this one, all these expressions, the power must be equal to 9. Now see, what are the possible values? When you will get 9, see the possibility of C1, first component is 038, C2 is also 038, C3 also 038. The possible values allow say, suppose E1 is equal to 3, E2 is equal to 3, C2 is equal to 3, C3 is also 3, rest of the terms under C4, C5, C and so on C10. If the values are equal to zeros, then only you will get 9, no? Right? That means the solution is 10C3. Our combinations lone vastayi 10C3. That is the possible solution. Next one, find the coefficient of x power 60 in x power 8 plus x power 9 plus x power 10 whole to the power of 7. Now, here given equation, given expression is x power 8 plus x power 9 plus x power 10 plus so on x 7. Now we are taking x power 8 as a common element. That means we are converting the given function or expression into standard forms. What is the standard forms are ante 1 plus x whole to the power of n or 1 minus x whole to the power of n. Those are the basic formulas. Now we are taking x power 8 as a common element. Here 1 plus x square plus so on whole power 7. Now x power 8 whole power 7, this one. That means if a b whole power n can be written as a power n into b power n, no? Simply we are applying that formula. Assume that this is a and this is b. A power 7, b power 7. Right, x power 8 into 7, that means x power 56, 7 8s are 56. Rest of thing is 1 plus x square plus so on x power 7. Our aim is to find the coefficient of x power 60. X to the power of 56 into, if you multiply here x to the power of 4, then only you will get x to the power of 60. We have to find the coefficient of x to the power of 60. See, now that can be written as x to the power of 60, x to the power of 56 into 1 by 1 minus x whole to the power of 7 is equal to x to the power of 56 into 1 by 1 minus x whole to the power of 7, that expression. That means x to the power of 56 into 1 minus x whole to the power of minus 7. Right? Now the coefficient of x power 60 is equal to coefficient of x power 56 into this expression, coefficient of x power 4 in this expansion, right? 1 minus x whole power minus 7. Now, what is the coefficient of x power 56 in this first term, first component? 1. Next one, the coefficient of x power 4 in 1 minus x whole power minus 7 is binomial expansion minus 7c4 into minus 1 to the power of 4. Now if you simplify this one, you will get minus 7c4, right? Here minus 7c4 can be written as 7 plus 4 minus 1c4, that is 10c4, or you can write 10-4. Here we have to remember this formula. This is very important one. Minus ni or minus nci is equal to n plus I minus 1i, right? Or you can write n plus I minus 1 ci you can write. Now therefore the coefficient of x power 60 is equal to here 10c4. No need to simplify this one. You can write a 10c4 as it is, right?